It's here! It's here! It's here! There it is! Yeah! Can't wait to open this. So excited. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here, all hepped up on coffee and PEZ candy. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, let's meet in China. You know, if you ever find a sticker like that says made in Hong Kong and it's on the bottom of a PEZ dispenser, leave it on there. It's supposed to be there. Oh, look at that. The peg is still intact. Geraldine. In case you don't know about Geraldine, this is Geraldine. What makes Geraldine so cool? Josh, it's upside down. There we go. Good old Geraldine. All right. A few episodes back, I mentioned Geraldine ordered a new hat. Let's see if the hat fits on Geraldine. All right. Now that is a Geraldine PEZ dispenser. Still not going to get closer to Geraldine? No? Come on. Sorry, just a little playtime today. So until next time, Geraldine's ready for the Kentucky Derby.